this is Lisa with Holland Designs Crochet. These are some little lambs that I just finished designing, and the pattern does also include a video demo, which is linked in the written pattern. And they are very luxe and plush, really sweet and beautiful. I made mine out of a worsted weight wool acrylic blend yarn. So the baby size is approximately 8 inches tall, seated, and the larger size is about 13 inches tall. And again, it uses a special stitch called a pleat stitch to create these really pretty baubles. So we're not doing any popcorn stitches for this pattern. It's something a little bit different and actually really fun and easy to work, and uses other basic amigurumi techniques. And both of them are included in the same pattern. So we do have the head and body all worked in one piece, and then we have 4 legs and 2 ears and a little tail at the back. So check out the pattern if you're interested. I'll put the link in the description box, and it's available on Ravelry and also on Etsy.